Polygon explained for beginners. Now, before we get too much into the video, I'm going to start with a little bit of advice. Now, I've been investing now for 20 years and have made loads of mistakes, some very questionable investing decisions. And one of them mistakes was getting too affected by what's going on around you, being too affected by the economy. So in 2008, 2009, after the financial crisis, it affected me too much, far too much. And this led to a decade of negativity. Negative about money, negative about investing, negative about pretty much everything. Now, a good thing is that this led to a book that I self-published in 2021, FI Money, Learn the Hard Way, Teach the Easy Way. And for your free copy, check out the video description so you can read the book and avoid some of my mistakes. You can invest with skill. Now, another thing I would say is do your own research. This is so important. Me not doing my research was one of my mistakes, and this meant I missed out on some really good opportunities in crypto, like being told about Bitcoin in 2015 and not doing anything about it. Or in 2017, when I started to invest in crypto, I didn't do any research, and this led to poor results. So yeah, do your own research. So important. To explain Polygon, I'm going to be talking about 1, Polygon Basics, 2, Polygon News, and there's been some really exciting news with Polygon that I think will get you excited about Polygon and the future of Polygon, and 3, why I invest in Polygon. Now, a little disclaimer. For the rest of the video, there's going to be no advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Right, let's get into it. 1, Polygon Basics. Polygon was founded in India in 2017. It is a layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum, which is a layer 1. Layer 1 is the main structure of the network. Polygon was designed and built to fix Ethereum's scalability issues. The Ethereum scalability refers to the limited capability of the network to handle large amounts of transactions, data on its platform in a short span of time. Polygon looks to address Ethereum's issues by handling transactions on a separate Ethereum compatible network. The transactions executed on the Polygon network are then returned to the main Ethereum blockchain post-processing. To reduce the gas fees, Polygon processes transactions on sidechains. The Ethereum blockchain can perform about 15 transactions per second. Polygon has the potential to execute 65,000 transactions per second, which is an obvious bonus and will help the scalability issues with Ethereum. Very simply, Polygon reduces gas fees and increases transaction speed, among other benefits that will improve the Ethereum network. For further info, maybe check out the Polygon website, read the white paper, check out the developers, and get your head into crypto. A crypto that has an awesome future, in my opinion. Number 2, Polygon News. So the first bit of news comes from the Binance exchange regarding Polygon. And I'm just going to go over some articles that have caught my attention and have got me excited about Polygon. So scrolling down in this article on Binance, the second biggest stablecoin, US dollar coin USDC, now supports Polygon. Its backers, a cryptocurrency focused payment company, Circle, said. Polygon native USDC will replace the current process of bridging USDC from Ethereum to Polygon manually via the Polygon bridge. The update will cut transaction times and Ether gas fees, which is an obvious bonus, cutting them transaction times and reducing them gas fees. Additionally, Reddit announced early this month that it's launching an NFT avatar marketplace. Polygon network will power the new NFT market. Moving on, Polygon has joined forces with Disney, and this to me is massive news. Disney is a well-known brand. It's a massive company, massive corporation. Scrolling down, Polygon enters the Disney world. Matic's move upside appeared synchronous with similar intraday recovery actions witnessed elsewhere in the crypto market, blah blah blah. The multinational mass media and entertainment conglomerate announced 6 companies that would be joining its 2022 Disney Accelerator to build augmented reality (AR), non-fungible tokens (NFTs), and artificial intelligence (AI) solutions. Polygon made it to Walt Disney's list, thus becoming the only blockchain platform to have done so ever. As a result, Matic, Polygon's native utility and staking token, rallied better than most of its rival digital assets. This news is massive for Polygon, massive. And for me, the way I see it, if you invest in Polygon, this gives you exposure to NFTs, because all the news that I'm hearing is surrounding Polygon teaming up with the likes of Disney, and it's around NFTs. This time I'm taking news directly from the Polygon website. Again, NFTs. Instagram launches NFTs on Polygon. So if we look into that story, introducing digital collectibles to showcase NFTs on Instagram. Key takeaways. Starting this week on Instagram, we're testing digital collectibles with select US creators and collectors to share NFTs that they have created or bought. The feature includes connecting a digital wallet, sharing digital collectibles, and automatically tagging the creator and collector. There will be no fees associated with posting or sharing a digital collectible on Instagram. So the fact that Polygon's teaming up with Instagram is again massive news. Other companies include Stripe, some other massive companies, Adidas and Prada. Adidas Originals and Prada launch NFT collection on Polygon. So again, it's back to that link to NFTs, and the fact that, the way I see it, if you invest in Polygon, it gives you exposure to NFTs. So as you can see, there's a lot of exciting news on Polygon, and that is just scratching the surface. 3. Why I invest in Polygon. Now the main reason is because I'm so bullish on Ethereum, and as I've touched on, Polygon solves some of Ethereum's scalability issues. So I'm bullish on Ethereum and I'm bullish on Polygon. Another reason is that I feel it gives me exposure to NFTs, as I've already touched on. Now at this stage, my understanding of NFTs is limited, but by investing in Polygon, I feel I've got exposure to NFTs, and I feel NFTs have a big part to play in the future of crypto. So that's pretty much why I invest in Polygon. But why I invest in Polygon doesn't really matter to you. What matters is why you invest in Polygon. Now, hopefully, today's video has helped you understand the basics. It's got you interested in Polygon, but you've got to invest for reasons that are suitable for you. You've got to go away, again, do your own research, put the work in, discover what cryptos you want to invest in, and then you can go away and invest with skill once you've put that hard work in. The bonus for me and you is that we're still very early. Crypto is the fastest adopted technology ever, but we're still early. Institutions haven't got in, which means me and you have a big opportunity to get in now. And I feel if you do get in now, you will benefit from some huge potential financial gains. So that's about it for today's video. If you've liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you've really liked the video, subscribe to the channel and help me get the content out there. Thanks for listening.